Okay, broski, we've got your brand new S22 Ultra here set up with the controller for the drone right over there. And I just wanted to send you a video to show you that everything is working. So, okay, this is going to be tricky. I got both sticks down and in.
Take off.
Marty, leave it. Marty! Okay. We are controlling the drone from your phone. It links up okay with the remote. Camera works good. Let's take it up to about 150 feet. Up, 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 up. Tilt the gimbal down a little bit. There we go. Let's take it up a little bit higher. Beautiful. Got great reception. Good. Camera's working good. We'll spin it around. Controls work as we rotate left. There's Rick and Barbara's house and Eric's house. Okay. Spin it back around this way. Rotate right works. Beautiful. Shot of the backyard here. Gimbal down. There's the house. Gimbal up. Fly it forward a little bit. Sorry about the reflection. See if I can tilt that a little bit so you don't get the bad reflection. There we go. I'm retarded trying to fly this with one hand. Never try to fly with one hand. Okay, we switch to map mode so you can see the GPS is working. Switch back to video mode. Looking good. We're at 155 feet, so we're not crashing into any trees. Don't panic. Okay. Fly sideways. Doing good. Fly this way. Doing good. We're 250 feet away. That's good. I'm not going to fly it all the way through town. And then we're going to do return to home.
Go home.
And now she's going to come home. You can see there she is up there past the chimney. She's returning home on her own. And now she's going to come down. Come to Papa.
Landing.
Okay, see she even orients herself back in the direction she took off from. I don't know if you can see this damn thing, can you? Well, regardless, it's going to come into view in a second. She's landing on her own. Put the gimbal pointed straight down. You can see it's going to land right where she took off from. There she is. Coming home all by herself. As long as you have good GPS lock before you take off, return to home will work perfectly. So everything works good using your phone. Tilt the gimbal back up. Alright. I didn't record anything, but that's okay. Alright, bro. She's going in the box and going to FedEx.